Hi, my name is Clarence Podovsky, sound effects extraordinaire. I make sounds for your movie. With my mouth it is that I make these sounds. Send me footage with no sound, and then my mouth I add these sounds. Demonstration. I make dog. Woof. I make pig. Ah. I make technology. Hello, how are you? I make this stuff. You are good. I like you too. I make anything. Anything. Demonstration. Hey, how are you? You talk to my girlfriend? I don't like it. Maybe because I insult, but no. You know, it's Europe on the map. It's pretty great. You know, you like your girlfriend too? You know, sometimes I eat the paste in my mouth. Okay. You pick me up, the paste in my mouth. Punch. Ow. I also make the narration for commercials made by you yourself. Demonstration. When I spend the day drinking soda, my teeth. Ow! So I do the toothpaste. Just like the other time, I put the paste in my mouth. It's good. Now teeth are clean. Hey. Buy at Mama's Pharmacy. Hey. I am able to make many noises for anything that you may need in movies that are yours. Hello, honey. Who are you? I am good. We like each other. Okay. Hi. Oh, I bought this shirt. I plan to return it. Okay. Me. I have had. Are you good? Okay. Now I smile. Hey, you guys. I cancer. Oh no, I like you. Let me please show you my shirt. Ha! This is hurt. Okay, that's good. Yay! Hi. Yay! Smile, please. Ha! I itch my face. Guys, would you like to hear me speak? Yes, please. Okay, so you want to hear my Mario? It's me. Oh, that's good. We should all kiss my face. And it's everybody smile. There's a candle. Hey, candle. Do you like me? Hey, let's all hug. But first, my face. I love you guys so much. Okay, I like you. Let's hug.
Goodbye. Let's all hug and
Yay.
Please.
Look, a candle.
Look.
I also do sounds for your occasions that in which you're celebratory. Hello, how are you? I'm coming. I've got the camera in my hand. Hello, look at me. Why you point over there? I'm right here. I like to go film things with the camera. Look here, we wear birthday hats. Thank you. Wave to me because I got hands and they like to be pleased. And it's your birthday. Hello. Look at your birthday present. It's a bun. Hey, Scotty got you present. Hey, what's in there? What is it? Oh, it's cookie. Is cookie for you to in which you want to eat and stuff. Hey, also buy at the mom's pharmacy. Yeah. Thank you, Scotty, for purchasing. Scotty, why you got the beards? It's not appropriate for the time of year in which there are trees. Thank you. Bye-bye. Your call today is that and which I would thank. Bye! Bye!